see a pretty good shot of it. Now it's going to come down. Anyway, that is the fun that's happening out here at the Hermann Grain Bins BNB today. And the guys are double checking some blueprints to make sure everything is done correctly. And here is the final folding up of the extension piping. And then it's headed back to Eldon, I guess. So what they do is the dump truck, which sits right behind it, where you can see that Johnny on the spot, the dump truck sits right behind it, puts the concrete into the big, there's a big tank right there in the back. I'm sure there's another name for it. And the pump then pumps that concrete right up into that piping, which went over the lemonade wall and into the grain bin. Have a blessed day. Donna Jerling signing out.